So, you're a golden visa holder and you've got a fantastic business idea for Dubai. Well, you are in a seriously unique position. Over the next few minutes, we're going to break down the exclusive, fast-track process that's been built just for you.
You've already done the hard part. You've secured that golden visa, and that brilliant business idea is buzzing in your head. So the big question is, what's next? Well, let's just get right to the answer because it's probably not what you're expecting.
You know, the main thing to get your head around is this. Dubai has basically rolled out the red carpet for you. For golden visa holders, the business setup process isn't just a little bit easier. It's completely different. It's on another level of speed and simplicity.
Let's just put this into perspective for a second. An initial approval? That can happen in just 2 or 3 days, not a whole week. Opening a bank account? Forget waiting 2 weeks, you could have it done in as little as 1 day. This isn't just a small perk. This is a total game changer that gets your business up and running like immediately.
Okay, first up, let's dive into what we're calling the Golden Fast Track. We're going to unpack all the exclusive advantages that are only available to you as a visa holder.
Let's start with a really simple, concrete saving. You see that standard 2,000 dirham knowledge and innovation fee? Yeah, for you, it's completely waived, gone. Right off the bat, that's cash that stays in your pocket, just because you have that visa.
But wow, the benefits really start to stack up when you see them all together. You get to jump into priority processing lanes, you get 100% foreign ownership, no local sponsor needed, your credibility with banks, it's instantly enhanced. Plus, you're immediately eligible for government contracts and you get access to dedicated support channels. It's a whole ecosystem of advantages. So with all those amazing advantages in mind, it's time to actually build your business blueprint. This next part is all about picking the perfect license and the right legal structure for your big idea. The very first question you need to ask yourself is a really simple one. At its heart, is your business all about selling physical things, or is it about selling your expertise and your knowledge? Your answer is going to point you directly to the right kind of license. So there are really 2 main paths here. If you're into e-commerce, trading, or import-export, the commercial license is absolutely your go-to. But if you're a consultant, an IT pro, or in advisory, the professional license is designed just for you. The most important thing to remember? With either license, as a golden visa holder, you keep 100% foreign ownership. No question.
Okay, once you've got the license type figured out, the next big decision is all about your team. Are you going to launch this thing on your own? Or are you bringing partners and investors along for the ride?
And that answer decides your legal structure. For partnerships, or if you're planning to scale with investors, the LLC is by far the most flexible and popular choice. But if you're a sole founder and you want total control with simpler management, the one-person company, or OPC, is absolutely perfect. And here's the best part. Both structures protect your personal assets by limiting any liability to the company itself. That's huge. All right, you've chosen your blueprint. Now for the super practical part, your 5-step launch plan. This is the exact roadmap from filling out an application to getting that official license in your hand. The process with the Dubai Department of Economic Development, you'll hear it called the DED, is just 5 really straightforward steps. First, you'll reserve your company name online, and that's often instant. Then, you apply for initial approval using simplified templates. Upload your key documents, that's your golden visa and your Emirates ID, pay the fees online, and then you get your license. It's all designed to be a smooth, digital-first experience from start to finish.
And check out how fast this all happens. You could be fully licensed and ready to operate in just 1 week. I mean, think about that. Day 1, you submit. By day 3, your documents are verified. By day 4, you have your initial approval. And by the end of the week, that final license is issued. This timeline, right here, is one of the absolute biggest perks of your golden visa status. Of course, a huge part of any launch is the budget. So let's decode the setup costs. We're going to look at exactly what you need to plan for financially to get this thing off the ground. The direct financial benefit here is pretty amazing. The total government fees for a standard applicant, over 4,200 dirhams. For you, it's just over 2,100. That is an instant saving of more than 2,000 dirhams, mostly thanks to that waived knowledge and innovation fee we talked about earlier. Next up is your physical office, which, by the way, is a mandatory requirement. Now, the costs here can vary a lot depending on the location you choose. You can find some great budget-friendly options in areas like Daira, or you can go for a premium address in downtown Dubai. This gives you a really clear range to start planning with.
So what's the all-in cost to really get started? Well, a lean, budget-friendly setup using, say, a flexible desk space might cost you somewhere between 15,000 to 25,000 drums. A more standard setup with its own dedicated office could be in that 25,000 to 45,000 range. And of course, a premium launch in a prime location could be anywhere from 45,000 up to 80,000 drums.
Now, you're going to hear this word a lot, EJARI. So what is it? Honestly, it's pretty simple. It's the official government system for registering your office lease. It is an absolutely mandatory step, and your business license literally cannot be issued without a valid EJARI certificate. Think of it as the official link between your business and your physical address.
Okay, so you've got your license, you've got your office, you are ready to rock and roll. So let's talk about what comes next, the key things you need to keep in mind right after your initial launch.
It's really important to plan for your annual recurring costs too. You'll have your license renewal, of course, your office rent, a small EJARI renewal fee, and then a municipality fee that's set at 5% of your annual rent. If you budget for these right from day one, you'll stay compliant and can operate smoothly year after year with no surprises.
And I really want to leave you with this because it's such a powerful long-term benefit. Your Golden Visa isn't just about a faster setup. It actually changes your relationship with banks and financial institutions. It gives you priority access and a level of credibility that other new businesses literally have to work for years to build up.
So, the path is clear, the process is incredibly fast, and all of these advantages are yours for the taking. The only question left is, well, it's the most exciting one. With this incredible head start, what are you going to build in Dubai?